Okay, guys, I'm so sorry if you hear rain sounds in the background and you hear this. Oh, whoops. Okay, so if you hear this, like that, I'm trying to find a correct sound, but it's not the right one. But, okay, hold on. Just trying to not do something live. Oh, this one. Okay. So, this one's only 30 seconds.
For now, the holidays are stressful, but Verizon's got a bonkers deal on the new Samsung Galaxy.
Okay, so I'm so sorry if this is gonna be a long one. Okay. Okay, back onto the ASMR. And also soft talking. Listener, just go to sleep. I know it's hard to go to sleep in this bad weather. You really have to handle it on your own, pal. Huh. Am I just so smart not knowing what I can do, not do? And plus, it's 2 freaking in the morning. Ugh. You know, Christmas is just right around the corner. Right? Let me go to bed, unless if there's an emergency. I ain't kidding. Sorry if you guys hear talking in the background. And also people barging in. Okay. Okay. Come on. Okay, there. Is that better? It's starting to go down. At least. Finally. But no. Get away. Get away from my face. I'm not gonna want you drooling all over my face again. No, it's not that. All you can is just drift off to sleep. Oh, my little song that I made for you? Alright. The little moons don't cry unless if they shine. But me, the morning rain or the hurricane can never stop me from loving you. But I can also set the world on fire to the rain. Watch me burn. I sent away to the storms, into another rain, into another ocean sea. I'm almost asleep. You want me to sing you another song? I guess that really did put you to sleep. The red rover is gonna die soon, but they come back. But red rovers are just a little myth. You can never know if you ever had enough of people with the same you do. But I said no, don't call me, just to get away. You thought that I was never. I guess they're asleep. I'm just gonna go and get me some glass of water. Okay, it's almost flooded. Blitz, someone's calling you. Ah, what? Ugh. What, Looney? It's 2 in the morning. Huh? Wait, I forgot what time I said, sorry. It's like 4 in the morning, Dad. Okay. Looney, did you just call me Dad? Okay, shut up. First of all. And what was that singing you had there? It's just me singing to listener. Oh, people don't need lullabies. They need shooting, Dad. Don't you dare. Stop calling me. Hey, plus, can you stop calling me Toonie? It's a type of tuna that I'm allergic to. Yeah. Oh, listener, you're up. Oh. Wait, one of my windows are broken? Oh, no, 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 no. Rain is getting in everywhere. But at least I have another glass window prepared. Okay, got it back on. It's easy to get it on and stuff. Yeah. No. Never knew why. I don't know if she was a hellborn or died like normal people. So it's gonna be she died, not a hellborn, even though she was a hell. My headphones scared me. Okay, she's gonna be a hellborn. No, like born in the world until she died years later. Oh, okay. Now back to the room. Good night. Good night, Luna. Okay. So good thing I have that little window prepared. Okay, so it's just how I died was just I know this is gonna be a little bit tragic, and also, can I get a theory in your mind? It's gonna be some kind of shooting. Oh my god, somebody just jumpscared the crap out of me. Okay. Someone knocked on my door until they just left, but it wasn't beautiful. So it's just how I died was in a college, you know. Yeah, kind of like that. It's where people die and haunt the school. Yeah, just like that. If you are scared, just tell me when to stop because you did ask for this. I woke up the next morning getting ready just to go on my flight, but right as I landed, 2 months passed, no, 2 years passed, and I'm not out of college because I keep getting held back just for stupid reasons. And then I finally got on some things. I used to wear pigtails, so that was the last thing I ever wore to college until I died. But at least you're wearing pigtails. I just like to keep my hair down. Why? It's just a simple style, but not at all though. Yeah, kind of like that. Oh my god. They're noisy. Okay. It's just my parents are noisy. Yeah. I think I'm like ow, my arm. Yeah, yeah. We can cuddle. We can cuddle. I'm gonna go to bed anyway. Okay, so thank you for relaxing white noise again. That's from his relaxing rain sounds drifting to sleep with a sleep emoji. Uh, and you guys are probably wondering, oh, that's not a real content creator. He is. Okay, so yeah, you can go and check it out. So bye.